Good morning, my dear students. Let's continue our chapter Forest. In previous video, we have discussed the advantage of forest and their uh, some forest creations, human being and forest relationship. Now, in our today topic in forest chapter, forest products. You already know that forests provide a number of things that are used by human. Now, I am discussed here the some forest products. First one, that is the wood and timber. Wood and timber, wood is, you already know that wood is obtained from the trees in forest and is used for making furniture. It also used for making paper and as a fuel. Now, our next forest product is medicines, spices. A large number of the medicines that are obtained from the forest, like medicines plant like amla, ashwagandha, brahmi. These are the some plants which grow in forest. Some spices are also obtained from the forest, and these spices we are used for making or cooking the food to get the flavor. Now, our next is gums, resin, and dye. These are also forest products. The uses of the gums is for making the adhesives and in medicines. And sometimes gums are also used as a food form. Some varieties of the gums are used as food. Now, next is the resin. You have seen on the screen. Resins are used to make the varnishes and paints. Next is dye. Many dyes used to color clothes and paper are also obtained from the forest. Our next product that is obtained from the forest are the special leaves. On the screen you have seen the tendu leaves and the areca nut leaves. First of all, that is the tendu leaves. Tendu leaves are also called the green gold of Odisha because these leaves of the tendu are used for the particular wrapping purpose. You have also seen on the screen that is the wrapping purpose used by the tendu leaves, and another is the areca nut leaves. See on the screen, there is the plant of the areca, and there you also see the leaves, and these are leaves used to make the disposal plates. See. Now, next product is the honey. You already know that honey, we are used honey in different ways. Large beehives are found in the forest that are used for the extractions of the honey. In previous class, you have already read how honey is collected by the peoples. Now, honey, bee wax is also obtained from the honey, and this is used in the cosmetic and in medicines form. Now, our next is bamboo plant. Bamboo is a very useful plant. You have seen this on the screen, that is the bamboo plant, and the bamboo plants are used to make the different blinds, baskets, boats, bridges, buckets, cooking utensils, fishing rod, chopstick, musical instrument, toys, umbrellas, walking sticks. They are also used in the different ways. Now, another use of the bamboo is it is also used as a food form. Now, our next is the special products. These are, you see on the screen, these are the some special products which are obtained from the forest. First one is the sandalwood. second one is the lag, and third one is the rubber. All these materials are also obtained from the forest. Now, my dear students, you have paste the forest product picture on your scrapbook or a file or your notebook pages. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we will meet again a new topic related to the forest.